Hi everyone, my name is Kevin, I'm the founder of VoiceCheap, and today I will show you how to translate and dub any video in any language. So first, when you are on the landing page, you just have to click on Start Dubbing Now. You will land on this beautiful login page, and all you have to do is to click on Continue with Google and select your Google account. Once it's done, you will land on the home page. It's the place where you can import your video either with a YouTube link or with a file. So for the example, for the video, I will choose a YouTube video of Lex Friedman. So I click here, I copy the link, and I will paste it just here. Okay, the link is correct. I click on Continue. Here I can select all the languages for this video and the number of speakers. So I will choose French, German, and Spanish, for example. Okay, the title are correct for me. In this video, I know that there is 2 speakers, so I will select 2. But if you don't know the number of speakers, you just have to select automatically detected. Select 2. And I can click on Create New Projects. Here you can see the progressions of the transcription and the translation. So okay, once it's over, you can see that you have to configure your dubbing settings. So you have the possibility to keep the background music and or not keep it. It is as you want. Only keep it for the video. Soon you will be the subtitles, but for the moment it's not available. And at the bottom you have the voice options. For this video I will choose voice cloning. It's the default choice. Here you have a cheaper option. It's our voice library, so it's a little robotic voice, but it is faster and it costs 5 times cheaper. It costs you only 2,000 tokens per minute. And here, the last option, you can import audio files and clone your own voice or the voice of someone else. And you can after use this voice in any project or any video. I click on Save once it's finished. You can see at the left the original text, so the original language, English in this case, and at the right the text translated, so in French and in German and in Spanish. You can modify the text at the left, so for example I will delete that. You will see that a small button is now here, so if I click on retranslate, it will retranslate the text. So now you have the text up to date. Here you have many options, so you can add a new language, replace a word, or you can retranslate all pending transcriptions in all languages or only in one language. Here you have the settings and you have the button Start Dubbing. If I click here, it will start the dubbing. Once it's started, you can see the progression just here. Okay, the dubbing is completed. So now to see the result, you just have to click on this button and you can watch the video, download the file, the audio file, or just copy the link. And here you have the possibility to activate lip sync on this video. So you just have to click on Activate Lip Sync and the lip sync is started, and you just have to wait a few minutes. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you, and see you soon. Bye.